Let's look at example 2b. We're going to graph and state the domain here. And then we'll also look at the restriction. So we'll look at what's underneath the radical. So the restriction would be x is greater than or equal to 0. So that's our restriction. We'll notice that will end up being our domain as well, so as we saw in A. So this would mean there's a shift down 4. So we're going to take, we call that the endpoint, down 4. And then I draw that same shape as above here. So again, it's over 1, up 1. Over 4, so when you square root 4, you would have went up 2. Over 9, so when you square root 9, you would have went up 3. Sometimes I suggest turning the paper sideways, and you can think about it as that sideways parabola as well. All right, the domain, as you see, is still x is greater than or equal to 0. So it's the same as the restriction. The range in this case, because we went down. So the range, you do have to always look at the vertical shifts and reflections when we get into reflections. Y is greater than or equal to -4.